Every cigar has a story. Where it's from, how it's made, who rolled it. But some stories are left untold. And like all great mysteries, the lure is in trying to solve it. Or in this case, smoke it. I'm Tony Leon, and this is Blowin Smoke. I can't think of a better way to start this series than with this cigar. The story I have from getting it is the whole reason why I wanted to create Blowin Smoke in the first place. Last year, my girlfriend and I vacationed out to Spain to visit her family, and every time her cousin would take us into the city, I was on a mission for two things: a nice hat and a good cigar. Both of which became way harder to find than I anticipated. I mean, there's a ton of tabacerias out there where they sell some cigars, but I wasn't looking for just any cigar. I wanted something from Spain. But if you know your tobacco, Spain isn't really known for producing premium quality. So a week into our trip, we took a 4-hour bus ride all the way to Madrid to visit even more family. She's Dominican, by the way, so you know she has a big one. And on that night, I asked the uncle in my best broken Spanish if I could smoke a cigar. To which he replied, "Claro que sí." And to my delight, we began to talk in each other's languages the best way we could for the next hour and a half.
Your fake Spanish is legendary.
During my smoke, he asked if I really enjoyed cigars, to which I responded with the one in hand, "Claro." And when I told him my mission, he immediately picked up the phone and called one of his friends who happened to be a figurehead in the Tobacco Association out there. The next day, to my surprise, he would take me to a shop that his friend recommended, which is where I found these. La Gloria Cubana's Esclusivo de España. If I couldn't smoke something from Spain, I wanted the next best thing. While not being the most exclusive cigar, despite its name, with a production size of 50,000 boxes, this would ironically become the first true Cuban cigar I would ever smoke. So with that cherry on top, I had to buy it. The Serie No. 5 has a beautiful brown wrapper with a reddish hue, giving it a chocolatey vanilla aroma with some cinnamon spice on the draw, which sounds a lot like the coffee we are preparing today. My favorite drink from Spain, and conveniently popular in Cuba as well, Café Bombón. The recipe consists of 2 ounces of sweet condensed milk poured over with 1 ounce of espresso. And just like that, after you take your picture for Instagram, stir it together and enjoy. I can't promise it'll be as good as it was while exploring Valencia, but paired with this cigar, it certainly brings me back. The Serie No. 5 gets a 6.5. Maybe I'm just blowing smoke, but in times like these especially, I will always remember traveling the world in search of a nice hat and a good cigar.